Ever wondered how many times your Canon Eos Rp shutter has clicked, a silent testament to your photographic journey? Understanding your camera's shutter count is crucial for gauging its usage and predicting its potential lifespan. Let's dive into how to find that number. The most reliable method involves using a dedicated software tool. First, ensure your Canon Eos Rp is powered on and connected to your computer using a USB cable. You'll need to download a reputable shutter count software. Many are available online, often for free. Search for Canon Eos Rp shutter count software and choose a well-reviewed application. Once downloaded, install and launch the software. It should automatically detect your connected Canon Eos Rp. After a moment, the software will scan your camera and display the shutter count. This number represents the total number of times the shutter mechanism has actuated. If software isn't an option, an alternative is to use your camera's SD card. Take a few photos with your Eos Rp. Then remove the SD card. Insert the SD card into your computer's card reader. You'll need to locate one of the images you just took. Now, open your web browser and go to an online shutter count checker service. There are several free options available. Just search for Online Shutter Count Checker. Upload one of the JPG images from your SD card to the website. The service will analyze the image's metadata and reveal your Canon Eos Rp shutter count. This method is convenient if you don't want to install software. Knowing this number helps you understand your camera's usage history and anticipate when you might consider maintenance or a potential upgrade. Happy shooting!